up to yesterday? Why do you come all that place and come and mess me up in my house? You even want to beat me in my own. Did your husband even tell you that this is my place? This is my place.
Why are you with my husband? Do you know that James is married? Do you know that James do have a child? Why are you with my husband? Can you find yours? Why are you so ugly?
Hey! Mamela, you are not going to come. Do you even know who you're dealing with here? Do you even know who you're dealing with? Stop talking me to tell me all this nonsense, otherwise I'll make sure that you die young. Okay? I will make sure that I'm finished with you. Okay? Understood?
Africans are very, very dangerous.
Understood?
Yes.
It's 2016. Holy boy CPT. Young rap society. I'ma make the face. They told me I'm a back, I'm bass. Always bringing up my name, I'm bass. Representing Cape Town, I'm making bass. I'm a Cape Color rapper, I'ma make them bass. I'm bass, I'm bass.
Yeah, how are you, man? Did you talk to the supplier? We have a meeting in 20 minutes. Yeah, but I just want to go quickly to the bank. Maybe around 10 minutes I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be back in 10 minutes, don't worry. Alright, thank you. Alright. That's okay. Alright.
Come. How can you leave your bag here? You know they can steal it. Where are you from?
From Zimbabwe. I'm looking for a call box. I want to call my husband.
It's call box. It's call box. Do you have your husband number? Give me your husband number. Put the number of your husband here. Even know how to use a phone. Look at you, give it here. Where's your husband?
I don't know.
Do you know where is your husband?
Hello? James? Yes. I'm now in Cape Town. In front of the buses. Yes, someone gave me the phone. Where? Huh? Oh. I want to speak to you.
Hello. How are you? Where you at? Waterfront. Oh, okay. So let me call text so that she can be there now. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, cool. Bye. Text is coming now. Alright? So that you can be there at waterfront where he is. Alright?
Okay. Thank you very much. He's my husband.
Don't Maidei, Msachema, Ziwako, baby, Zapata, Ndichatoka, Mbadiro, Kusefura Musutari, Mpecheche uya Kusefura Chitiro Tia.
Yes. Wow, you changed, Bogashe.
Okay.
Oh, you're looking very handsome.
That's me. That's me.
Wow.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm so happy.
Okay. How's everyone? How's everyone at home?
Everyone is okay.
And how's you?
She'll misses you.
Ah, lovely.
And
Thank
everyone was greeting you.
Ah, thank you.
Keep on
Don't
so
worry.
beautiful.
Don't worry. Let me take you home. Let's go. Take you home.
See them, them a come. Baby, Msachema, Ziwako, baby, Zapata, Ndichatoka, Mbadiro, Kusefura Musutari, Mpecheche uya.
Listen. I stay around there, you see? So please don't be an embarrassment to me. Please don't try to be an embarrassment. Okay? Are we okay?
Please, I didn't
No. Doesn't matter. Don't be Maidei. Please. No. You see? No. I say around. You see, embarrassing me. You see? Please. Let's just go. No. Nothing like that. Maidei, this is where I live, ne?
It's a nice place, James.
Yes, it's a nice place, yes.
Wow.
Inside there, there's someone. I will introduce you to her.
Oh, you're staying with someone?
Yes. So please stop all your Zimbabwe stuff and that. No.
It's a nice place.
Yes, of course, it's a nice place, yes. Come in.
Saluvais raak, bietjie meisie my smaak. Loop ek in die long straat, hulle wil nou baie praat. Ek het hulle vriende maak.
Tell this is Maidei, mother of my children. Maidei, this is Tofy. The one I told you that I will introduce you to her. I stay with her.
I'm going to put my family.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm being those I wasn't talking about.
Carapas.
Wow. This place is so beautiful. Wow. My husband is very rich. Yo, I'm going to tell everyone at home. Yo, look at this TV. I always see this on TV. Now I'm staying in a house like this. Wow. That's the reason why my husband wasn't sending money home. He was busy building our future. Yo.
What's the name?
I was thinking of probably making a sandwich, something to eat.
I would don't tell her Rose and she'll fend for herself. Me again, as I said. Tonight, let's just go out, man, go spend and have supper. Okay? What's up?
Okay. How was it, Maidei?
James, are you going to buy food?
No, Maidei.
I'm very hungry.
No, I'm not going to buy food. I said I'll be back.
You want to call the pizza na maparara.
Baby, to my place. Love you, baby, don't leave me alone. Leave me alone. Baby, to my place. Love you, baby, don't leave me alone. Baby, I love you so much. Baby, to my place. Love you, baby, don't leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Maidei, stop it, Maidei. Maidei, stop, Maidei. Maidei, Please, just come
finish.
Please.
She brought tears in me eyes. She brought tears in me eyes. She brought tears in me eyes. She brought tears in me eyes.
Mamela ke botsa. Bona la mfazi wakho. Ela kwera. Mfazi. Ufuna kuthetha naye. Irongo la ndayenzileyo. Irongo la ndayenzileyo izolo. Irongo. Uma azokwenza ichaos apha endlini yami. Irongo la ndayenzileyo. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Ndiyaqonda nawe uyibonile loo nto leyo uba irongo la nto.
I understand that, but please, I know she crossed the line.
She did. Ndizawudila naye la mfazi.
No.
Ndifuna ahambe apha endlini yami. Ndifuna ahambe apha kule ndlu. Because nyani kufuneka kubekho uxolo apha sohlala njani kanje simane siraya ngumuntu.
Please, I know I know she crossed the line, but please let me talk to her.
Uzawuthetha uthini naye?
At least try to put her in her place. I know.
Asuke ngaphi kodwa laseZimbabwe liza apha lizosiphatha endlini yethu?
Please, I know she crossed the line. But please let me talk to her first.
Jonga, ndifuna uxolo. I just want peace. And the best thing uthi makangabikho apha ndikuxelele. The best thing ukuthi makangabikho. Ndizawudila naye le nto if awudila nayo and mna ndizawudila nayo harshly. Ndifuna xa ndibuye emsebenzini ndibuye ngekho apha endlini.
Let me handle her. I'll talk to her nicely. Imagine if my mom was going to hear about this. She's going.
He won't blackmail. Blackmail into zomama wakho.
Yeah,
uthini ngam?
No.
Uthini ngam naba mahlale ku life enjeni?
She just came in.
Ayona ndiapplyeleyo leyo yokuhlala kwi life enjena ene chaos enjena.
I understand, but please just trust me to handle her. I'll try and talk to her nicely. Then I'll see how to handle her.
No, ndiyathemba ndiyahamba ngoku ndiya emsebenzini ndiyathemba ukuthi uzayihandlisha le nto ngendlela right. Ndiyathemba manyenyane uba uzayihandlisha ngendlela.
Let me do it.
Nyani. Okay, ngizakubona late.
Sure.
Hey, where were you shouting last night?
What are you doing, James?
Doing what?
For 7 years, you didn't even send money home. You are busy with another lady. What do you think you are doing?
But that doesn't give you the right. But that doesn't give you the right to
Are you forgetting that we have a child?
But that doesn't.
James!
Listen, that give you reason to shout in other people's houses.
So what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do when I come inside and see my husband peace with someone? What am
I supposed to even come inside? I let you here, you should have remained here.
You know, James, I'm going to tell your family. I am going to tell your mother about this. And I know that she's not going to be happy.
I don't care what people will say or think about me. The bottom line is, I love that lady, and that lady did a lot for me.
But tell me, what did you see in that lady? She doesn't even have manners. What did you see? Why, James, are you doing this?
Ask me that. You don't need to ask me that.
Why did you marry me at the first place if you don't love me?
I'm not. I said it's
No,
finished.
I'm not happy, James.
Don't you ever do that again. You understand me? South Africans are very dangerous people. So don't you dare ever do that again.
Okay, James, do you still love me?
You don't need to ask me. That lady, the bottom line is that she did a lot for me.
Okay, James, just
Naturally, it's my fun. Not proud of my past, but I'm glad I gave my life to Christ and everything I've passed. Now I'm able to sing a new song. I never hit the time to serve you gods. Now it's the time to fulfill a world. That might be far, and I get it now. God's ever grace now gone to me with the love and to make here and today to say amen and never let.
Woman, what were you up to yesterday? Why do you come all that place and come and mess me up in my house? You even want to beat me in my honor. Did your husband even tell you that this is my place? This is my place.
Why are you with my husband? Do you know that James is married? Do you know that James has a child? Why are you with my husband? Can you find yours? Why are you so heartless?
Hey! Mamela, you are not going to come. Do you even know who you're dealing with here? Do you even know who you're dealing with? Stop talking to tell me all this nonsense, otherwise I'll make sure that you die young. Okay? I will make sure that I'm finished with you. Okay? Understood?
Africans are very, very dangerous.
Understood?
Yes.
Onivyo wafise wakagara Ayuna mahala gisi ya chuhara Jiwanjo konda vita na maparara Yidis byo birashira.
Since you got the money, now you claiming that you powerful. You're letting niggas do your dirty work.
Maidei, look up. Check it. This is what you do. Everything. You do everything written there. Cleaning, washing, cooking, everything. Thoroughly. You understand me?
Yes.
Sparkling clean, this is sparkling clean.
Well, I know life will change anytime. Nimba chakaritse ejo wombo ndiko shine.
She brought tears in me eyes. She brought tears in me eyes. She said he beats me, he stops me, he always makes me blue. She said he always makes me cry, he never spend time with me. I said, girl, scrub it up a doozy. She brought tears in me eyes. 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 When she's gone, I walk over Rasta. Sazo chema chati mari mani rasta. Chinanana, lyrical, side. Usafe wakatuka baby, usafe wakaroga baby, usafe wakatuka baby, usafe wakaroga baby. She brought tears in me eyes. She brought tears in me eyes. She brought tears in me eyes. She brought tears in me eyes.
Oh, baby, to my place. Love you, baby, don't leave me alone. Oh, baby, to my place. Love you, baby, don't leave me alone. Baby, I love you so much. Baby, to my place. Love you, baby, don't leave me alone. Oh, baby, to my place. Baby, you know that I love you so.
Hello, baby. How's it?
Ukilo madata matete matela mtwa.
Ushodike manje.
Ndibuza la nkosikazi yakho
Nkosikazi yami ngoma.
hayi manje sokugezela manje muzi into serious apha upilo matete wakho obelapha lo muntu wakho seZimbabwe manje.
Maybe cooking or doing something in the bathroom.
Akekho apha.
What do you mean?
Oh, umrentele flat.
Hey,
Umrentele flat without my knowledge, ne? Is that what you're doing?
you are talking Greek.
Senjani ubani omnye fanele ayazi because akekho lo muntu apha.
How am I supposed to know? Yeah, Mara, we just went out together this morning. No, please. Didn't we live together?
We left together, but she is not here.
Then how am I supposed to know where she is? Maybe she's in the bathroom.
There's only one person who's supposed to know, and that person is you.
What? You're just speaking Greek and some hieroglyphics thing. I don't understand. Because I'm the one who comes in last, but I'm asked the person you are supposed to be with.
Are you renting her?
Why would I? No, baby.
Why not? Baby. Why not? Because
baby. So,
she is not here. Her suitcase is not here either. Nothing of hers is here. So, why wouldn't I think that you're renting her a place?
What's the reason for me to rent out a place for her when we don't know?
Because
I also don't know. I should be asking you. Is she not in the bathroom?
Look at this short here since I don't. I'm by engineer. Leave my place, please, and leave me in.
I won't go anywhere.
Can't you hear me? DT, hamba engineer. Okanye, I'll organize my brothers, babas of and banditi, hamba in my place.
But babe, can you sit down and just talk this thing? I know nothing about where she is.
Okay, I'll ask abantu bazokwenza ba uve kahle apha endlebeni bandithi phuma endleni am. Uhambe.
No, babes, but
ndikweka kubile nto amazimbabwe adikayo apha. Hayi, thatha mahlakahlakana wakho nazi impahla zakho. Hamba phone. Uhambe ngoku ndifuna uphumile endlini yam. Please hamba endlini am. Don't even beg me. Why not? Why not when you're busy? Who wants this? Don't have my name. Come here, Zaz. Detach. Okay, you open and you can open the bambi.
No, it's like I'm just asking.
Finish. Utana nyameze nto zamakwari no name ngento zenu zobalapha. Thatha into zakho uhambe. Thatha into zakho, otherwise I'm defonela brother bam ndiyaxelela manyana ndiqobisi ngale nto ndithethayo. Hello.
Didi hustler. Didi hustler. Didi hustler.
Moyo mona nada levo life yangu yapa skate my haters ari busy kutraga life yangu kunge tempo ngini woni chitin rungu pisa vida kunge kendo levo really hot hold this niggas can handle pop in the streets bitch you pick up
last night guys sitting on it say all over the place like what drunk my bro drunk I don't know where James was I don't know where you were.
That guy was drunk, my bro.
Found a girl there in the corner. Yeah. She was just singing Leka, my bro. I saw that one. Yeah. That one or that one? The one you come so. Yeah. That one. Yeah. So you were walking to that one. I was like, oh God,
oh God. Hamaga. Asirufu wakaoma vataida wakatora denda irori denda irori varipo vadikani vataida vakatorwa nevhu nenguva mere kutanga kubongomora takaringa pedu pachimana kumari mukamvaro hakuchina muviri wondoroka serutsanga simba chairo handichina rufu kuti bvachura matumbu dziripo hamaga.
Never seen so many women in my life drunk before.
Oh, yeah. Guess what drunk me?
I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad.
I was there also. I was everything. Just give you cigarette, David. Oh man, David cigarette.
I got a.
Please, take care of you. Just tell me who infected me. I'm very sorry, Maidei.
Yeah, I should have a cigarette here somewhere.
Wow.
Here you go.
The batik lighter? No.
Oh. No, I don't have. Try James.
James.
Last night was heavy, brah. You see that? I didn't say it, man.
Yeah.
That one in whole day fast.
Yeah,
she was fast. She look at my wine. It's almost like I must give up my wine. But me, I'm a man. I don't give up my wine. See, I love my wine.
Ah, James. James, I'm looking for lighter. The lighter, bro. James, are you sleeping, bro? James.
Baboni vyo bafise bakagara ayo n'amahara kisi ya juhara you want to konda vyita n'amaparara ibyisi birahera baboni vyo bafise bakagara ayo n'amahara kisi ya juhara you want to konda vyita n'amaparara ibyisi byo birashira
genda gato gira kariro gato ubuzima ni burebure bucenje umwanya muto kona lejo je uyu munsi sikondi ubuzima butanga imana yacunga y'urukondi wala no life change anytime nimba nshakaritse ejo wombo ndiko shine mbona iby'ubu nibyo mukazoza hari byiza byinshi mbona imbere biko biza fasha ifubyi apfakaza abakene reke kwikanisha upunguza amaparara urabyimba wishima